In the universe, there exists an incredibly mysterious voidland, not only trapping numerous galaxies, including the Milky Way, within it. Even cosmic large-scale structures, such as the Laniakea supercluster, appear as insignificant as ants. This is what is called the cosmic supervoid, the KBC Void. But just how terrifying is it? In 2013, astronomers Keenan, Barger, and Cowie, while analyzing galaxy distribution data, discovered a peculiar phenomenon. Within a range of 1 billion light-years from Earth, the number of galaxies is 90% lower than similar galaxies farther away. Yet in regions farther away, the density returns to normal. After multiple rounds of data measurement and correction, it was ultimately confirmed that humanity is located within an extremely massive structure, a low-density cosmic void spanning 2 billion light-years, and the Milky Way happens to be at its central position. To commemorate this discovery, the scientific community named it KBC Void, after the initials of the surnames of 3 scientists. It was designated as the KBC Void. However, with further research, scientists discovered the existence of the KBC Void appears to contradict some fundamental principles of cosmology. According to calculations derived from the quantum fluctuation model based on post-Big Bang matter distribution, the maximum diameter of a single void should not exceed 500 million light-years. Yet, the size of the KBC Void surpasses the theoretical limit by 4-fold. This entirely overturns human understanding. To put it into perspective, the Boötes Void, with a diameter of 250 million light-years, is almost entirely empty, with an average of only 1 galaxy per 10 million light-years. If calculated based on the speed of the fastest human-made probe, the Parker Solar Probe, traveling at a speed of 192 kilometers per second, it would take 15.6 billion years to reach a neighboring galaxy located 10 million light-years away. Such a journey would require 15.6 billion years. Even aboard a spacecraft traveling at the speed of light, the trip would take 10 million years. The diameter of the KBC Void is 8 times larger than that of the Boötes Void. It resembles a terrifying cosmic cage, enough to make humanity feel despair. To explain the formation of this massive void, scientists have proposed numerous hypotheses. The mainstream perspectives can be broadly divided into 3 types. First, multiple void fusion. Based on existing theories, during the long evolutionary process of the universe, there were multiple smaller voids within space. As numerous smaller voids within the vast expanse of the universe collided and merged with one another, they combined into the massive KBC Void we observe today. Second, accelerated expansion caused by dark energy. Because in the universe, dark energy plays a dominant role and continuously drives the universe's expansion. And during this process, matter, influenced by dark energy, is constantly pulled toward high-density regions. The regions where matter was originally distributed relatively evenly were gradually pulled apart. This resulted in the gradual hollowing out of the central area. And as time went by, this area eventually formed a massive cosmic supervoid. Third, the concept of a cosmic cage. It is hypothesized that the KBC Void was not formed naturally, but rather intentionally designed as a massive enclosed zone by some advanced civilization. This was done to separate lower civilizations, such as humanity, ensuring they could evolve gradually within a relatively closed environment, preventing them from encountering dangerous information from more advanced external civilizations. If this hypothesis holds true, it suggests that extraterrestrial civilizations deliberately isolated Earth at the center of the void. Then this would not only be the best protection for lower civilizations, but also perfectly explains the Fermi paradox, where humanity has consistently failed to detect extraterrestrial civilizations. For humanity, tiny as dust particles in the grand universe, regardless of whether the KBC Void is the result of natural evolution, or perhaps it is the product of intervention by extraterrestrial civilizations, its existence forces us to re-evaluate the complexity of the universe. It could be an extreme case of cosmic expansion dominated by dark energy. Alternatively, it might represent an invisible threshold in the civilization selection mechanism.